Hello. It's been a minute. I'm back. We need a trim. The ends are getting kind of dead and there are little knots down there and it's just starting to look like just a little crazy. So here we go. I'm going to do a wolf cut trim. I am trying to grow it, so I'm not going to take off too much, but let's go. So I learned this from Paul Watts. Sorry, woohoo! I learned this from Paul Watts. He's a fabulous stylist. I'll link his wolf cut down below. This is the cut I always use. You're going to need a couple of rubber bands or something to hold two ponytails. Going to need some scissors. I bought these from Sally for like 30 bucks. I have used my desk scissors. They worked. If you don't feel like buying real scissors, and you're gonna need something to section your hair. Here are the sections. Sectioning always takes me the longest because my hair is so curly. It's hard to get a straight line. So you wanna find the highest point on your head. For me, that's about here. And you want your section to go just behind the ear on both sides. And then you get this fun ponytail right in the front, like right where the hair starts. And the back ponytail is gonna go straight up. I do cut my hair dry because it curls at different rates. So I don't wanna stretch it out and have it curl up in a different way. So that's why we're doing it dry. Here we go. You're gonna hold the first ponytail out straight. Just gonna do a trim. If you've never done this before, you can start with a really tiny amount, like 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch. See how it goes, because you can always cut more. And then take the scissors and you just cut straight across. I cut about 1/4 inch. Now we're gonna do the back. My hair's so long, I don't know if you can see it, but I'm lifting it straight up to the ceiling, and I'm gonna cut this about the same amount, about 1/4 inch, like I said, because I'm trying to grow it out a little bit. And you just cut straight across. Ta-da! And that's it. Super easy. Let me know how it goes. Thank you, Paul Watts. You're a miracle for curly hair.